In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share passwords in 1password. Ensuring your sensitive information is handled securely is critical, and knowing how to share passwords safely is an invaluable skill. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you can easily and efficiently share passwords when needed. First, you'll want to start by heading to the 1password website. This is your central hub for managing all your stored credentials securely. Once there, look for the option to log in. It's typically found at the top right of the page, or as a prominent button within the initial landing screen. Enter your credentials, ensuring you check them for accuracy because they safeguard your vital information. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the 1password homepage. Here is where all the magic starts to happen. You should see a list of options and features that allow you to manage your data. Our focus today is on sharing passwords, so let's continue by locating a specific vault you want to work with. Each vault acts like a digital locker, containing different sets of login details and sensitive notes that you might need to share with others. With your vault open, browse through its contents to find the specific password entry you intend to share. It's essential to always verify this entry is exactly what you need, as sharing the wrong password could cause confusion or compromise security. Once you've confirmed that, look for the Share option. It's usually quite user-friendly and immediately visible on the main entry screen of the item you want to share. The next step involves clicking on Share a link to this item. This action will generate a secure link that you can send to the intended recipient. The beauty of using 1password for this task is the level of control and security it offers. The link can often have its settings configured, enabling you to set expiration parameters or password protection for added security. Consider these options before sending off the link. Tailoring them to fit the scenario can make a significant difference in ensuring that your information remains secure and only accessible when and where it's needed. By following these steps, you should be able to securely share a password stored in 1password. Always remember the importance of security and caution when handling and distributing login details. It's a responsibility we all share to protect our digital identities and those of the people we interact with. I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating through the process clearly and confidently. Thank you for watching, and safe browsing.